Hello, my name is Ed Scott. I am CEO of Axel Online LLC. We created the StudentSCEA App under axelapps.com. You can also find us at axelonline.com. If you care to, you can go ahead and scan the QR images for either Apple or Android to download the app right now if you like. I'm going to go ahead and do a preview of the features of the app. Today I am using an emulator to show you the app online. When you download the app, you will have some other features that I can't demonstrate online. So let's just get right to it. As you can see, when you download the app, we have a sliders going across the front of the screen that can be updated with the recent or latest information. A few of the sliders have links to other sections of the app. I'm going to demonstrate this one to you, which says click here to join today. Once I do that, the app moves me straight to the page where I can join the program. Once I click here, it will take me to the place where I can complete the registration process. Let's go back and let's review the other sections of the app. Under location, this will give you the ability to call, visit a website, or email for help. And then this little icon here will give you a GPS coordinates based on your positioning of your mobile device, as well as clicking on this little dot here, this pin drop. Moving on to the other items, you see we have events, and we can update this at any time. I'm going to go into the SCEA practice event, and you can click here to register if you like. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that to you. It will take you out to the place where this link to, and from here you can go on and complete the registration process. Here we're going to Eventbrite, and it will completely check out. There's also a little item here for calendar. So if I wanted to add this to my calendar, I can add this event to my calendar and set a reminder on my mobile device. And I also can state if I want to add a comment or if I'm going to attend or not. Okay, and I can say I'm going, and it will ask me to log in with either Facebook or Twitter to register the fact that I'm going. And then if I wanted to upload a photo, I can do so. It's a great way for the students to connect with each other, to let them know who's going to what events. Comments are another way to allow students or app users to connect with each other. And they can do so again by Twitter or by Facebook. And the comments are actually stored within the app. They don't go out to Facebook or Twitter. They're only within the app. We're only using Twitter and Facebook to verify that they are a real person. And you have the ability to go in and change this or to remove comments if you find anyone acting suspiciously about the app. You can add images. You can add your location. This is a great way to promote connecting. The other great feature we have besides comments are push notifications. Push notifications allows you to send messages to anyone with the app, and we can link these messages to different places. As you can see, that one was linked to the event, and so you can let your users know that events are happening, and this is the message. And then when they click on the message, you can direct them directly to that page, or if it's not within the app, to a web URL. Then we have the More button, which has other great information. I'm going to go down through these relatively quickly now. Around Us is a great feature to have. This one it needs a little more development on it. But what this allows you to do is, for example, if you have sponsors and you wanted to have them with the location and their information within the app, this is a good way to for doing fundraising, or if you wanted to sell some advertising within the app, because all the students will have access to this, and we can have several different categories. They can get the information based on what they wanted to have, as well as directions. And About Us will give you access to all of the features that you have here. For example, we can talk about the student program and how to join now. And these are the different components of value-added content that you want to have within the app, and we have that. And I'll let you look at the rest of the items there. And we have a gallery here. It's a nice gallery. We can have different images here. People love to see pictures, so we want to make sure we're capturing those inside of the gallery. We have a form here that that can be customized to grab different pieces of information, demographic data for different purposes that you want, and you can run reports on these. This is great. And then we have the RSS feed from the blog that you have on the StudentSCEA or the SCEA website itself. Then we have the Tell a Friend feature, which allows your apps to be shared virally. So this feature will allow your users to share the app via email, Facebook, Twitter, or by SMS text message. And again, I'm using an online previewer to demonstrate this to you. And what I would suggest is after you download the app, go ahead and give it a test and see how it works out. We have email photo, which allows your users to send a photo right within the app. A great feature, and it promotes usability. Of course, I skipped this one, which is the social. We have the Facebook, the Twitter, and if we wanted to have video, you can have video. We have another couple of features that are kind of outside of the app, but of the value-added content, but there's a rich, user-friendly options that will allow your users to want to download the app. And you can feature these in some of your promotions. For example, the car finder. A while back, this was a big feature in terms of people losing their cars. When you go to those big malls and whatnot, it's hard to find your car. You can use this feature for that. Also, we added a tip calculator so that, that's built right within the app. And in a way, we want to promote usage, people opening an app and using it, and not just at one time. And we have other features that we can add also, including GPS check-ins, coupons, different other features that you may want to establish to promote better and more users to use the app more frequently. Okay, so that's all we're going to wrap up with right now. I hope you've had a chance to download the app and play around with it and share it. Thank you so much.